Ground floor and first floor plan design. Ground floor plan, 1 bedroom. First floor plan, 4 bedroom. You will see this majlis and this big hall, lobby, entrance, this dining, kitchen, washroom, this 1 bedroom, and this ground floor, this first floor, 1 bedroom here, 1 bedroom here, and 1 bedroom, 1 bedroom. 4 bedroom, first floor, 1 bedroom, ground floor. We will see this entrance, this is our steps, 5, 6 steps, and this column design for arch going continuous up to roof floor. This frame design for window. This side also frame design with column, pillar column, circular column. This entrance and this our big majlis hall 610 by 804 centimeter. This lobby 450 by 300 centimeter. This majlis hall, big hall again 600 by 500 centimeter. This side we are getting stair and this window, simple window. This our bedroom 488 by 428. This window design, frame design, bathroom with ventilation 300 by 210 centimeter. This dress area and this passage, this big dining, this kitchen 320 by 428, this water closet 150 by 174, this washroom 150 by 254, this passage 380 by 210, and this side, this window design for elevation design, and this side, this window. And this side back entrance and with window for kitchen. This ground floor plan, 1 bedroom, big dining area, big hall area, big lobby, and big size kitchen with passage. This is our first floor plan. First floor plan, we are reaching stair here, this hall 530 by 530. This is small pantry for coffee, tea time 3838 by 210. Side, small window for exhaust. Here bedroom, both side window. This bedroom size 568 by 428 centimeter. This side window and this side window. This dress 300 by 200 centimeter and this common attached bathroom 300 by 200. Shower tray, water closet, wash basin all here given here. This bedroom, this window, this side also, and this side window, and this design for elevation. This floor, 4 bedroom, and this side, 6 wide bedroom, 668 by 484, and this dress 2 meter by 2 meter. This bathroom 210 by 268. Here you see is our balcony, this balcony, small balcony, and here you see this column design and this side column design. This column coming, continue, ground floor, see this column and this column for good elevation design. This master bedroom 610 by 500, and this also window design, this side also window design. This dress room 175 by 274, 247, and this bathroom 280 by 247. This nice floor plan, ground floor and first floor. First floor plan, only one ground floor plan, only 1 bedroom, hall, dining, kitchen, backside exit, and first floor plan, 4 bedroom, hall, all common, all attached bathroom. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.